Hi, my name is Frank Gangi, Product Manager of Attachments for Yanmar Compact Equipment North America. And I'd like to introduce you to our brand new line of ASV Forestry Mulchers. These new ASV mulchers are designed and tested on our ASV track loaders with optimized settings straight from the factory. This allows for a plug-and-play connection and proven durability that is backed by a full 2-year warranty, double that of most other brands. Other highlights include big 65mm rotor bearings for durability, a 107cc variable displacement motor for optimal performance, and large hoses to reduce back pressure and heat generation. The ASV mulcher line consists of 2 different styles, the SD series and the DC series, both of which are available for a perfect fit on our compact track loaders. Let's take a closer look at each of these. The SD series mulcher is our standard drum version that comes equipped with durable carbide teeth and is the most versatile for a wide variety of mulching applications, such as rocky conditions and when you need to mix the material with topsoil. The 20-inch drum on the SD series gives you more inertia and staying power than the competition. The SD series also includes a pressure gauge to provide visual feedback for the operator, along with a multi-position push bar to help guide cut trees. Finally, the serviceability is made easy with just a few grease points, replaceable skid shoes, and convenient hinge covers, which allow quick access to the motor and hydraulic system. Now let's check out the DC series. The DC series mulcher is our depth control version that comes with sharpenable and reversible knife cutting tools for stringy, fibrous environments and where a fine finish is desired. The depth control rings on the DC series help control the bite for an efficient cut and consistent chip sizing, while the 18-inch drum provides an extremely fast recovery time. The rear throat of the DC series maximizes productivity while backdragging to ensure no unprocessed material is left behind, and the broadcasting front discharge minimizes the need for multiple passes. Finally, the DC series features the same simple serviceability of our SD series with the addition of bolt-on shear bars and a bolt-on wear liner. Our ASV compact track loaders are well known in the mulching industry as the best machines for the job. Now we compare them with mulchers to match that performance and offer a complete ASV mulching package that is the most productive combination in the market. Thanks for checking out our new ASV Forestry Mulchers. If you'd like to learn more, head on over to asvi.com or contact your local ASV dealer.